Picture this. You're stuck on a 5-hour flight, your stomach's growling, and that sad $12 snack box is staring you down. Stale crackers, processed cheese, and a fun-size candy bar that wouldn't satisfy a toddler. But what if I told you there's a way to eat like royalty at 35,000 feet without spending a fortune? Most travelers think TSA rules make bringing good food impossible, so they surrender to overpriced airport options. Airlines absolutely love this confusion. It funnels millions of hungry passengers straight to their overpriced snack carts. Today, I'm revealing 10 TSA-approved snack hacks that'll transform your carry-on into a gourmet survival kit. We're talking real food, serious savings, and zero rule-breaking required. Freeze your way through security. Here's a loophole that'll blow your mind. Most travelers see that 3-1-1 liquid rule and immediately give up on bringing yogurt, hummus, or smoothies. Airlines count on this confusion to sell you their $8 airport versions. But the TSA has a secret rule they don't advertise. If it's frozen solid at screening time, it's allowed through security. Think about what this means. Your favorite Greek yogurt? Freeze it. That protein smoothie you make every morning? Freeze it. Hummus for your veggies? You guessed it. Freeze it solid. This single hack opens up an entire world of creamy, protein-packed options that most travelers think are banned. Here's exactly how to do it. The night before your flight, portion out yogurt, smoothies, or acai bowls into travel-size containers. Don't fill them completely. Leave about 20% room for expansion when freezing. Pop them in your freezer overnight until rock solid. In the morning, pack them in an insulated lunch bag with small ice packs, also frozen solid. Pro tip: layer your frozen items. Put ice packs on bottom, then your frozen foods, then another ice pack on top. Wrap the whole thing in a small towel for extra insulation. This keeps everything frozen for 3 to 4 hours, plenty of time to clear security. By the time you're at cruising altitude, they're perfectly thawed and ready to eat. DIY Gourmet Snack Box. Let's talk about those pathetic airport snack packs. You know the ones: $12 for 5 stale crackers, processed cheese that tastes like plastic, 3 sad grapes, and maybe a thumbnail-sized piece of chocolate. Airlines make massive profits on these because travelers don't realize how easy it is to create something infinitely better. Here's your game plan. Invest in a quality, reusable bento box with at least 4 to 5 compartments. Start with your protein foundation: roasted chickpeas for crunch. Try different flavors: ranch, BBQ, or sriracha. Premium mixed nuts, not the cheap peanut-heavy mix. Quality turkey or beef jerky. Look for low-sodium options. Hard-boiled eggs already peeled and ready. Add complex carbs that won't get soggy. Whole grain crackers. Pack these in your crush-proof container. Mini rice cakes in fun flavors, homemade energy balls with oats and nut butter, or even popcorn for that satisfying crunch. For dairy, hard cheeses are your best friend. Individually wrapped aged cheddar, smoked Gouda cubes, Parmesan crisps, or string cheese all travel perfectly without refrigeration for several hours. The empty jar revolution. An empty mason jar might be the most underrated travel hack ever. Most people see TSA's container rules and think they're restrictive. Airlines hope you think this way, but here's the genius move. TSA allows empty containers of any size through security. What you do with them after is where the magic happens. Bring 1 or 2 clean empty jars with tight-fitting lids. Wide mouth works best for easy eating. Before security, add your dry base ingredients: granola, muesli, chia seeds, nuts, dried fruit, protein powder, even instant oatmeal. These all sail through screening without issue. Once past security, the airport becomes your ingredient playground. Stop by any food vendor and grab single-serve items: yogurt cups for parfaits, fresh fruit salads for mixing, milk for overnight oats, even hot water for instant preparations. Pour into your jar with dry ingredients, and suddenly you've created custom meals that would cost $15 at an airport restaurant. Crush-proof container hack. We've all been there. You carefully pack your favorite crackers, homemade cookies, or delicate snacks, only to find sad crumbs when you reach your seat. Airlines secretly love this. Crushed snacks mean you'll buy their overpriced intact versions. But there's a brilliant solution hiding in your recycling bin. Empty Pringles cans, protein powder containers, oatmeal canisters, or even sturdy paper towel tubes become protective armor for delicate snacks. Clean them thoroughly, let them dry completely, Then use them to transport anything fragile. Regular crackers stack perfectly in Pringles cans. Cookies fit in protein containers. Layer them with parchment paper between. Here's why this works so well. The rigid cylindrical shape distributes pressure evenly, preventing crushing even when your bag gets shoved into overhead bins or under seats. The airtight lids keep everything fresh and prevent staleness from cabin air. And unlike boxes that can get squashed flat, cylinders maintain their shape under pressure. Mini charcuterie at altitude. Airlines charge $18 for their artisan snack boxes that are basically processed cheese, stale crackers, and a few olives. Here's how to do it better for a third of the price. The secret is choosing shelf-stable ingredients that don't need refrigeration for your travel duration. Start with quality cheeses. Individually wrapped portions of aged cheddar, manchego, Gouda, or Parmesan can safely stay at room temperature for 4 to 6 hours. Look for vacuum-sealed packs in your grocery store's specialty cheese section. For meats, skip the deli counter and go straight to the pre-packaged section. Individual portions of hard salami, pepperoni, prosciutto, or Spanish chorizo travel perfectly. Many stores now sell charcuterie-specific packs designed for picnics. These work great for flights. Add sophisticated touches: Marcona almonds with sea salt, candied pecans or walnuts, dried fruits like apricots, dates, or figs, cornichons or other pickled vegetables in a small leak-proof container. For crackers, pack premium varieties in your crush-proof container. Here's the pro presentation move. Pack everything flat in a gallon Ziploc bag. When ready to eat, arrange items directly on your tray table using the airplane napkin as your canvas. The entire spread costs less than one airport sandwich and tastes infinitely better. The Bento Box Game-Changer. Forget everything you know about airplane meals. A properly packed bento box doesn't just replace airline food, it makes it completely obsolete. The key is thinking strategically about compartments. Each section serves a specific purpose in your meal. Your main protein compartment might contain grilled chicken strips seasoned and cooked the night before, turkey meatballs that taste great cold, hard-boiled eggs already peeled and seasoned. The grain section balances your meal. Rice balls, onigiri with filling inside, quinoa salad with oil-based dressing, or even cold pizza cut into strips. Yes, really. Vegetables deserve their own space. Roasted Brussels sprouts or broccoli, delicious cold, cucumber rounds with everything seasoning, or colorful bell pepper strips. Here's where bento boxes really shine: the sauce situation. Those tiny 1 to 2 ounce containers that come with many bento boxes are perfect for TSA liquid limits. Dehydrated food strategy. When every ounce counts and space is at a premium, dehydrated foods become your secret weapon. Airlines hope you'll think healthy options are too complicated to bring. They're banking on you buying their overpriced nuts and dried fruit mixes at 400% markup. But the world of dehydrated foods extends far beyond basic trail mix. Start with fruits that become nature's candy when dried. Beyond typical banana chips and mango, try freeze-dried strawberries that literally melt on your tongue, dehydrated pineapple rings dusted with chili powder, apple chips made in your oven with cinnamon, or even freeze-dried blueberries that taste like fruity popcorn. These aren't just snacks. They satisfy sweet cravings without the sugar crash. Vegetables get interesting when dehydrated. Kale chips seasoned with nutritional yeast taste shockingly like cheese crackers. Beet chips provide earthy sweetness and gorgeous color. Mushroom chips offer umami bombs of flavor. Even dehydrated tomatoes become intense flavor packets. These veggie options give you nutrients while satisfying that need for crunch during flights. Single-serve nut butter power. Traditional nut butter jars are TSA's nemesis. They're over the liquid limit and create confusion at security. But single-serve nut butter packets are a complete game changer that transforms your snacking options. These magical packets come in every variety imaginable. Here's how to maximize their potential. Pack a variety of vehicles for your nut butter: apple slices, pre-treat with lemon juice, celery sticks for classic ants on a log, whole grain crackers for mini sandwiches, rice cakes for a light option, pretzels for salty-sweet combo, or even dark chocolate squares for dessert. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs creates sustained energy that airplane pretzels can't match. Silicone Bag Revolution. It's time to break up with plastic baggies. Those flimsy sandwich bags crush easily, leak at altitude, and create unnecessary waste. But reusable silicone bags are the sustainable solution that also happens to be superior for travel in every way. These flexible, durable bags seal completely airtight, crucial when cabin pressure changes. They're thicker than plastic, protecting food from crushing in packed bags. The material doesn't retain odors or stains, so today's garlic hummus won't flavor tomorrow's fruit salad. They're completely clear for easy TSA screening, and they're dishwasher safe for easy cleaning at your destination. Here's the game changer most people miss. These bags are technically containers, so you can bring liquids or semi-liquids up to the size limit. Pack salad dressing, nut butter, hummus, guacamole, even soup within TSA regulations. The whole fruit secret. The simplest hack that most travelers completely miss. TSA allows whole, solid fruits through security without any restrictions. No questions asked. But many travelers think fruit will be confiscated, so they skip it entirely and buy overpriced, often unripe airport fruit. Pack fruits in a mesh bag for easy screening and air circulation. Once on board, peel or slice for a fresh, juicy snack that beats airline pretzels every time. Bring a small knife, under 6 centimeters, in checked luggage, or buy one after security. Many airports sell them in convenience stores. Being able to slice fruit fresh makes it infinitely more appealing, especially for kids. It's the easiest, healthiest way to stay energized while flying. So which of these hacks will revolutionize your next flight? Have you discovered any TSA snack secrets I missed? Drop them in the comments below and help fellow travelers eat better in the air. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Journey Tips for more travel insights like this. Share it with anyone tired of terrible airplane food. They'll thank you at cruising altitude. Thanks so much for watching, safe travels, and I'll see you on the next Journey Tips.